Okay, hello everyone. I'm just gonna make this video because I thought the previous Dream Icons tutorial was kind of fail, and yes, I will still not be able to basically do anything in Photoshop because Camtasia just doesn't let me. I tried Fraps and it doesn't matter. Long story short, this is the best I can do. Okay, this is the process which you will take if you want to make icons. So number one, you're going to get the icons list. Actually, I should clarify. This is specifically for the icons for theme deal, which is basically you create 50 icons, both HD and SD versions. Make sure they're not icons that have already been made. You submit them. I check if they're good. I release them, and you get the theme for free. So this is what you have to do to do that. Number one, get the icons list. It's a part of the thread. I'll quickly show you here. It's in the attached files. I'm sure you all know. Um, find the thing. Where is it here? And if you just scroll to the bottom, it will be there. I don't know if you can see my mouse or not, but there it is. So you're gonna get that. Mine's called differently here because it's demonstration purpose. Whatever. You're gonna open that. And then you're going to see these are the icons that have already been made. Now also, if you have any questions about this deal, please read the forum. I've got it all explained here, and ask any questions there. This is more of the how to make the icons part of all of it. So as I said, you're going to open this up and you're going to find something. For this example, I noticed I still haven't made the calculator. So we're going to make a calculator app. So first things first, we're going to want an image. So I'm going to Google Images, search for a calculator. I haven't thought about this, so we'll use this one just because I use that in Desire. It's 2:30 a.m. and I haven't slept for over 48 hours, so I apologize if I sound a bit odd. Anyway, we're going to save the image, and thanks to my excellent preparation skills, it's right here. Now, then we're going to open the PSD file that comes with it. I still haven't, no, I have added it. It's somewhere. I'm sure you can find it. That's probably not good enough. You guys probably want to know where to get it. Okay, how about this? Attached to this video, because I'll upload it to YouTube, you can download it there. Oh, it's right here. Okay, download that. Now, what you're going to do then is there's two basic things in this PSD. You have the icon style. Without it, it's just an image. And you have the images, which is basically what tells the different icons apart. Now, as you can see, there's quite a few here. So, all you have to do is go onto the images thing. We're going to get this and drag it in. Okay? Now, notice how there are these cross things. What we're going to do is holding shift to keep the aspect ratio. Oh, of course, I forgot. Camtasia doesn't let me do that. This is quite annoying. I'm going to press enter, okay, because you would normally shift it and make it the right size that you want. Please note, do not stretch it. If it has to go like this, let me explain. See, for example, let's say fring. If I move it, okay, I can't do anything, I keep forgetting. How about this? Ignore, okay, so that's there. Wow, I can't show you anything. How about I show you, say I wanted to do an aeroplane. Okay, now notice how, see it's not in the images folder, so it goes through the icon layer style thingy, the icon style. So what we can do is if we were selected in weather, I'm probably making this really confusing, aren't I? I hope this makes sense somewhat. See, now that it's in the image, there's a mask, and it cuts out the stuff that would be here. Now, a few things. Notice weather. If I do edit transform scale, or control T, notice how it's larger. Now, again, I can't move it, but let me show you something. One, don't, oh, please don't, like, they're your icons in the end, but if you're trying to submit it for the icons for theme deal, don't just drag the corners so they all match the icon style, because the image inside will be skewed and it won't look nice. So make sure that it's, even if it does, not all of it can fit inside, it's all the right aspect ratio. Also, note that I go a little bit over on the sides. I hope you can see my cursor. That's to ensure that there's no little gap that you can see if you have many icons. So that's that. Again, to resize, make sure the image is in the images folder. See, if it's not, it will go outside. And do edit, transform, scale, and holding shift, just size it the way you want and move it around. I hope that makes sense. Another thing I just wanted to mention is... Wow, I can't do that either. Okay. The icon PSD that you get is for the HD versions, which means that what am I saying? The dimensions of the whole image is 320 by 206. That's for Retina display devices, so the iPhone 4, the iPad Touch 4. For the devices with standard definition, so the iPhone 3GS, the iPod not 4, and so on, what you're going to do is you have to do this anyway for the icons theme deal. Right click, note how I dragged it off. If you right click when it's here, you don't get the same option, so you drag it off. Right click, image size, note image size, not canvas size. Image size, simply type in 160. You're just halving the numbers. Okay, if you keep constrained portions on, it will nicely do the height for you or whatever. So it does that, and simply save that. I'm going to Control Z it for now. Now, let's pretend that I did that, and I did it really well. And now I have two magical... Okay, for example purposes, let us say that this icon, look, this pretty shit icon, is one of my icons. This is so bad for a demo, isn't it? Note PNG. Now remember, this is the HD version. Remember, we Control Z'd the image size thing, so now it's back to 320 206, and we're going to call it, considering it is a male icon, sort of, so we're going to call it male at 2x.png for the HD version. Okay. And now we're going to resize it. 160. And save that. Notice I'm just doing Control Shift S. That's keyboard shortcut, same as file save as. I'm going to save that for demo PNG as male. No at 2x, because it's standard definition. So, now we have two icons here. What we're going to do now is make a new text file. I'm going to call it Troy icons. My name's Troy. Sorry. I'm going to just whopping one icon. Note that HD and SD versions of the same icon is just one icon. So that's what we'll call that. I'm just going to add in male. Note I wrote male, not male 2x. Also I had a capital here. This would be wrong. You have to write it here exactly how you would write it in that. Wow, I can't make sentences right. And that was a perfect example. So file save, we have that. Then we're going to zip it. So we're going to go zoop, select what we want. Right click. Note how when you send it to me, only add the icons that you added. Don't add all the icons and then just add your one in, because I can't find it. So that's all good. Right click. Hopefully no, okay. I'm so organized. We'll have to zip this. WinRAR. So we select the three things we want, add files to archive, zip, rar, couldn't care. But what I do care is how you name it. So you're going to say your name. Okay, my name's Troy. I'm going to call it Troy. You're going to do space dash space. How many icons you made. Remember, for the icons for theme deal, to get the theme for free, 50 icons is the thing. So I'm going to have a whopping 1 here, so I can't get it for free, bummer. Press OK, and it's there. And this is what you're going to submit to the forum. Okay, just submit it as you would to the forum. Where are we? Here. Just go down to the bottom, make new post, and add it as an attachment. If you can't, then I guess upload it somewhere. If you don't know where to upload it, Mediafire is a good example. You can search that stuff, ask me if you need help. And that's that. So, not recap, I'm boring you already, it's 11 minutes. I did have something to say and I forgot. Okay, let me explain how the competition works. What am I saying? You know, I'm probably not even going to upload this, there's no point. Oh well, you guys can bear with it, I'm sure you can. So, what I was trying to say was, this icon list, I can't update it. Let's say someone is making icons, okay? Let's use actually a proper example, because this gentleman over here has done an excellent job. Icon management. I hope I pronounced this right. Anima. That was pretty good, actually. See? He did it perfectly. Space dash space, 51. Say he's making his icons. Specifically, he made, I hope it's a he or a she. I don't mind. I just want to be correct. Here we go. Now, please just use a text file. It's just simple because I use a text file. Just easier. If you can't, well, you don't really have to, but I'd like to if you could. Thank you. Make sure you name them the right thing, as they appear on the editing mode in Dreamboard. Don't just name it as it would appear in the App Store or something. Anyway, he is making some apps. And I haven't updated the official list yet because I haven't checked them and all that stuff. So let's say he went and made to do. I noticed to do there. That was the first one. He made to do. And gentleman X somewhere else also made that, but sent it in after Anima did. Basically, if Anima's one is good, I'm going to say, okay, thank you, I'll accept that one, and for Gentleman X, I will say, please, I'm very sorry, your work is appreciated, but, see, Anima over here, who's most likely male, but there's still a possibility that they are female, has already made that icon, so could you please make a different icon? Simple. Also, I would like to, point out, that HD icons here, all at 2x, all good, and SD icons, all good. So, yes, I hope this tutorial, it's not even a tutorial really, it's me blabbing on, helped. Again, sorry I can't really show you the Photoshop stuff. Again, just remember, the most important thing when I'm looking for icons to release for the final thing is, one, there is no little gaps, okay, so it's clean. Number two, so there's no gaps, just keep a little bit of space. Number two, the image is not distorted. So as you can see, where's a good example? Maybe this. Notice how it goes all the way up. I don't just squish it in because then it would be squished. So yeah, I don't know. You understand. And three, notice the shadow. This is part of the icon style. See, the Jenga thing doesn't have a... Oh god, I'm pointing with my finger, realizing you can't see what I'm pointing. It doesn't have a shadow, and when you add the icon style, it does. Please don't add something with a shadow, if that makes sense. Just do the way that I've shown. That's probably the simplest. Find an image you like, drag it in, resize it, make sure the scale is fine, Save one as HD, save one as non-HD, make a text file. It's all simple. Again, thank you very much for listening. I hope I haven't bored you. You probably haven't watched this far. If you have, well done. And I hope to see many icons and giving out Dream for free. Alright, thank you, and have a good night/morning wherever you are.